Hi guys, today we are bringing a very funny video. Well, it will be very fun today. We are bringing many animals which are different colors today. We will take them one by one and put them in the basket. Then we will make these animals dot. I will wash it in water today. Oh, I hope you will like it very much. Look how beautiful, my friends. I am very happy. I am very happy. Oh, what fun. Oh guys, look how cute animals, bird, dinosaur friends, Captain America, bear, lion. Oh guys, it's so fun, so fun. What a scary dinosaur. Come on guys, let's take the animals one by one and put them in the basket. And when the baskets are finished, we start to pray the animals.
একটু দেখাইব দেখি কালারটা কি জুড়ি থেকে নেওয়ার আগে একটু দেখাইব তাড়াতাড়ি ডুবাইব না একটু দেখাইব একটু পুরো দাও